Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. In today's quick video, we are going to pick one lucky winner to win this product from LUIGX. That's right, it's a retractable keychain, but this one's really special. It's got this LED light, great as a gear keeper. Just a fantastic bit of kit, and I shared my review on this video, so do check it out in the link in the card above or description below. It's an awesome gear keeper for urban and outdoor EDC. But we're going to pick one winner. One lucky person will get this delivered to them door to door. And it's very simple. I filtered through the comments, made sure they're all genuine comments and they're subscribers, and I'm going to pick one lucky person using this app. So good luck to all of you. Here we go. We're going to pick a winner right now. And the winner is Alexandro Ferry 8954. Congratulations, you win this LED retractable keychain. I hope you enjoy it. So what you need to do is just reach out to me via email. It's urbaknifeguy@gmail.com, or check out the link in my profile. Send me an email and I will get it all sorted out for you to receive the prize. And for the rest of you, well, thanks for joining in. Do not worry, there is going to be 2 more giveaways each week from LUIGX. So thanks to them for sponsoring the gifts as well. So do stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Well, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.